The second law of thermodynamics. Well, what exactly is the second law of thermodynamics? Well, it sounds pretty complicated. And yes, it is a law of physics, which basically just means it has to do with the physical world around us. Simply stated, it just means that things have a tendency to get worse by themselves. They decay, they break down, and they head towards what is known as entropy. Now, there are no exceptions to this law. But the question is does it have anything to do with biology? And the answer to that is, well, not directly, but we'll see later on that indirectly it would have made it so evolution could have never begun. Let's look at an automobile for an instance. If we were out in the forest and we found an automobile just sitting there, it would not surprise us to see the metal rusting away, the engine not working, the seals on it broken, that type of thing. But evolutionists would say that all that is needed is an outside force, such as the sun, to help repair and keep things good. Well, let's look at a lawnmower, for instance. Let's say I had a lawnmower and I poured gasoline over it and lit it. Well, I did add energy. But is that energy enough? No, energy always helps destroy everything unless it is used properly in an energy conversion device. So for instance, let's say I took that gasoline, poured it into the gas tank, and then I started up the lawnmower. Then the lawnmower would use the energy conversion device, which would be the engine and the carburetor and so on. And then it would work, and actually the energy would benefit us in this case. So the energy must be used in an energy conversion device. Well, the only thing that can take the energy from the sun and use it is a plant. It has the ability to change the energy and convert it into usable, good energy through chlorophyll. Now, if we look at the automobile again, it is possible to temporarily overcome the effects of this law of thermodynamics. But all of the energy must be directed by an intelligent being, that is, a mechanic or a painter or somebody like that. So the two problems that have never been overcome by evolutionists is that plants would have had to be in existence when the sun was made, or the second law of thermodynamics would cause it to break down immediately. And the second thing is that energy conversion devices require intelligent design. So although the second law of thermodynamics does not affect biology, it would have made it impossible for life to have ever begun. And so, according to the theory of evolution, then life or biology would be impossible. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.